The Profax PX262 MIG machine is a DC constant voltage MIG welder rated at 190 amps at 100% duty cycle, 250 amps at 60% duty cycle, and 300 amps at 40% duty cycle. It can be used in many applications including metal fabrication, automotive workshops, maintenance and repair. Basically, any industrial manufacturing and repair utilizing the MIG and flux cord welding processes. The input power is 208, 230, 460 volt, single phase 60 Hertz, rated at 300 amps, 40% duty cycle. The Profax PX262 MIG welder features FAN, fan, meaning fan as needed, reducing noise, energy usage, and contaminants pulled into the machine. 2 gear-driven Miller-style dry rolls with toolless dry roll replacement. It accepts Miller-style gun connection. It's got digital LED meters for voltage, wire feed speed, and amperage. Presetting of the voltage and wire feed speed ensures precise parameters and accuracy. It's got a 14-pin receptacle for direct connection of 24-volt AC wire feeders or spool gun, an 8-pin receptacle for direct connection of the Profax AEC 200-4 spool gun. It's got side-mounted hanger for the MIG gun and leads, a single cylinder rack with safety chain to secure the cylinder in place, factory-installed running gear for fast and easy mobility, 3-year limited warranty on parts and labor. The controls, meters, and connections are simple and easily located. Power switch, work cable connection, MIG gun connection, MIG gun trigger control receptacle, LED voltmeter, LED amp meter and wire feed speed meter, selector switch for amp meter or wire feed speed meter, voltage control, wire speed control, 14-pin receptacle, 8-pin receptacle, selector switch for panel or spool gun. The Profax PX262 MIG welder comes complete with everything you need. A 15-foot first choice 250 amp heavy duty MIG gun, a 10-foot work cable with clamp, a 10-foot input power cord, the plug's not included, flow meter regulator with 10-foot of gas hose, extra 035 and 045 contact tips and nozzle, dual groove reversible 035 045 solid wire drive rolls. For more information, please contact your local welding supply distributor and ask for the Profax PX262 MIG welding machine.